Helo! Croeso i'r cyfres gyntaf Get My Video, efallai. Dyma'r box. Spider-Man, Shattered Dimensions, ie. Cyn fi'n mes o hwnna'n.
Video Shattered Dimensions.
Yeah. Video gyntaf ti.
I totally ddim yn edrych fel Power Rangers, o gwbl.
I rhywun o hynny fi. Rhywun, hwnna'n un o hoff Get My fi.
$12.99. Sure, not bad.
And then 3 for 2. Right. Have you cael gyda other Spider game with ddim nearly as that? Right. Rydyn ni'n cael really drama setup with yna'n cymryd 10 munud.
That's great.
Ooh, Spidey. Spider-Man. Right. So it's actually wedi gwneud video gyda ni.
No,
Keep your cloak on him, Dubs.
Right.
Just a warm-up.
And now, scale the wall.
Yeah, my Neil Patrick Harris and Spider-Man, I'm into the best things.
I believe the technical term
Oh,
is
yeah.
Stickum powers.
Madam M. Right, Madam Web, sorry. Right.
James Bond, Harry.
Yeah. Right, plot synopsis. My Mysterio, magician-y guy, wedi doi'n weird dimensional rock. A Spider-Man angen nolau gyda adhesive abilities or wall crawling.
You have the added abilities of seeing through objects, locating
Mae'n brifo bawd fi,
and
ond yn worth it.
discerning structural weaknesses in your environment.
Oh, mae Morgan mynd I gweithio pobl. Oh no. Can I stop a siarad, please, thank you. Oh yeah, Spider Sense.
Don't
Wow.
let weak structures or
Where
other
did you have that
obstacles
Basically, to get a find your stuff.
Use your
Oh,
weapon to
When
pull
you use
that wall
like,
down.
Pith Melon.
Yeah. Web pull. Oh yeah, ti'n gwneud ei.
And that's called breaking and entering.
Is
I
it?
ti di wneud y pose o so far, Spidey. Mae y plot of game hwn yn mae 4-dimensional Spider-Man, ddim yn gallu neud hwn, yn angen stop a Mysterio cael Rhan, fragments,
Hey,
oherwydd...
look what I found.
mae-
Ydy hwn yn byr mae'r
Job well begun is half done. Now
special
to
Doctor
another
Who
Spider-Man,
Nadolig
and to bestow
diwethaf
a different
yn
gift
beisaf
upon him.
Dr Mysterio.
Maybe.
The black suit. What am I doing
Yeah,
in the black
hwn
suit?
yn
I
Dimension
hate this
2, hwn yn Ultimate Dimension. The last one oedd the Amazing Dimension. The next one, mynd I bod a Spectacular Dimension.
thing.
No.
Like what? Trying
Next
to
one
take
yn
over my
Noir,
body?
hwnna'n y
I
best
said
ones.
stay
Carry
calm.
Noir.
My psychic
Wedyn
powers will
mae'r
keep it from overwhelming
2099
you.
Future Dimension. Cofio, mae future yn separate dimension, not moment in time.
Now let's retrieve the next fragment. Spitzbox.
And then the black suit, and then you know favourite bits.
First, with your ability to web zip, you can travel
Oh, yeah, web
quickly
zip.
from perch point to
Thing.
perch point. Try it now.
Right. That, he webs it. Yeah. Yeah.
Occasionally, in
Fun
order to
and
reach
really
distant
Spider-Man.
platforms, you will have to jump towards them in web
Stop
zipping.
shards.
Huh.
Shut
What
up.
a leap of faith.
Yeah,
And
mae
you can
hwn
run
yn really
across
just
narrow
Ydy hwn yn
tutorial.
fel
Such
demo
as this
level
one,
oherwydd chi
without
just yn
fear of falling due to
constantly
your natural
showered.
agility.
Yeah, hwn yn a tutorial.
Ah,
They're called...
Dyle fi gwrando oherwydd fi heb chwarae hwn mewn while,
One of
ond
the
eh.
other me's make that joke already.
Yes.
Tutorials yn
It was no
overrated.
funnier then.
Ond fi'n offi yn noir missions, nhw'n
The
y stealth
fragment
ones.
is at the end of the corridor.
The first
Can you
un
swing
gyda
across
Hammerhead,
to-
wedyn
Anna,
Vulture.
Lady, it's my trademark.
Right. Web swing. Speed boost. Web jump. Right. Yeah. Web swing.
I gotta admit, this suit does
Web swing.
feel fairly
Web
under
swing.
control.
ydy o?
And I feel strong.
Web swing.
Faster.
Web,
Needs to work out after
web
all.
swing. Oh.
Fingers crossed.
Web swing. Ie, fi heb chwarae hyn mewn while. Yeah, mae web swimming... Swimming? Web swimming? Web swinging ddim yn particularly da mewn game yma. Os ie, mae 4 fragment gyntaf yn really hawdd I ffeindio a maen nhw'n probably tua un mind of the main tablet.
No.
So mae game hyn yn stupid
But
easy.
now, I
Well,
must turn my consciousness to
my
the
Deadpool
future
levels.
and to
O na.
2099. Efallai ddim yn y next dimension then for the noir.
Ie.
Michael
Oedd hwn yn byr yn
O'Hara.
edrych fel mewn Blade Runner. Rhywbeth fel hwn.
2099.
A oedd hwn yn base mewn 2019. Neu rhywbeth.
The next fragment is close.
Ie, mae hyn
Just
kind of
ahead, in fact.
Right, so, to cael Amazing Dimension, Peter Parker Spider-Man. Ultimate Dimension, Peter Parker, Ultimate Spider-Man.
And what?
2099 Dimension, Michael O'Hara Spider-Man. And then Noir Dimension, Peter Parker, past Spider-Man. Mae Noir yn very dark and very grim and very
Hence noir.
yes,
Yn dim yn ffranag.
yeah. Cynan am ffranag. Dyma nhw dysgu ni sut I pwynio pobl.
many enemies.
Mae'n
that
dweud,
try
o,
to
ti ddim
stop
gallu
you
siarad
from
pobl, so fi
collecting
trio taflu un
funds.
band o
You must
railing a
defeat
rwy'n just
them
like
in
teleport
combat.
from Master Game and
Tried to defeat him in cards once.
gan defnyddio Madam Web's dimensional powers.
This one
Sef
looks easy.
thing.
Try a lighter.
Eh.
Here comes
Oh, it's
another.
getting like wave or
Have some-
remote
It's
as well.
eliminating a bit
It's
easy.
coming, lady. It's like having sun.
Mae'n nhw'n y police, mae'n nhw'n corrupt. Or like something.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, hwnna'n sut i wneud e. Hey! And... Fi'n Right. Hold...
Did you just see in?
Combo. Ni fe'n gallu cofio sut i chwarae hwn. Hold B.
Web-headed freaker.
Yeah, you one-headed breaker.
Nothing
Oh.
hurts it.
Spiderman. So, Hey! And then I need
Your incredible strength. You can probably even knock enemies into the air.
Sure can. Want to see?
So, no. Real Beth. Right.
Do you want me to attack a team?
Hannah.
Just stuff me.
And then strategy V.
Help. No.
And then strategy V of just like, go. Come on. Fi ddim wedi anghofio sut i chwarae gêm hwn. Oh.
I need a bank, man. No!
Mi'n bounce on all.
Wow.
Web swing.
Come on, go then.
Web swing.
No.
We just dal ar our button now. Beth ydw i'n dal arno i? Dim byd. A hael. Yeah. The future. Future technology. So,
Does dim atmosphere.
to break defense with an air launcher. Wel, fi hofo ti'n mwynhau y cyfres yma o puncho un guy ar platform ar y video hopio controls.
Take him
Ddim
down.
yn actually defnyddio cleddyf, ydy o?
Pwy?
Spiderman, oherwydd
No.
mae'n edrych fel sword.
Kind of.
Hwna, sure.
No, hwnna'n just wind pan mae'n punch rhywun.
When you're looking wind.
That's what she said. Oh! Hwnna'n attack.
Stop bugging me.
Na mae ddim.
Can't stay up
Neidio
there
dros fe.
forever.
Just run. Ah! Please. Yeah. He's just got stroke. Spider
just
stroke. Spider stroke. Spider stroke. Right, hang on. Pause button. Options. Controls. Strong attack. Swing B. Beating cael y controls erbyn diwedd y fideo yma, I swear. Oh! Bydd y fideo ddim yn gorffen tan fi barod. Right. Fi gallu... Oh! Yna ddim yn y plan. Right.
Helo a chroeso i'r fideo here of our YouTube. Byth.
Mae'n a 9-hour remix of Never Gonna Give You Up.
Now our unibeth i arti.
Fi neud beth i dweud I fi... Right. Holds.
Ydych chi'n mynd i attack a ti neu unibeth?
Na. Mae e'n fod I dysgu fi sut I stop o blocks. Come on, hit me.
Yeah.
Fwa. Come on in. Just really cadw efo na. Anyway, fi'n offi mynd Spider-Man-i.
It's faster than my internet.
What? Faster than my
Watch your
internet.
flank.
Ti'n ymladd rhywun.
2099.
1999. Hang on. Right, hang on. Fi'n gwneud hynny unwaith, fi'n mynd I wneud e eto. Right. Options. Oh, so much editing you need in. Right. I just like that. Be right. Right. Okay.
Sut ti'n neud o tro diwethaf?
Fi ddim yn gallu cofio.
Falle ni mwy o movement.
Oh, dyna fe. Dwi'n meddwl. Ti angen dal ar B a wedyn mynd ar that. Right. So hold down B and then like that. No.
That's my favorite just in Gullior video on the Cardinal just in Ace of Vanati just from
Well, according to your camera, ni dal ar posing as star. And do we recreate our dramatic pose?
No.
Rama.
Nothing.
I mean, many are liked. Come on, Michael.
Michael.
Yeah, I'm Michael O'Hara. Melville, her name is Mitchell O'Hara. Go in here. Go in here. Go on.
Very cultural.
Three of her. Edric, went to swingy B. Oh, then punch T.
Cool.
And punch a T, just then V. And off you V.
Web-headed freaker.
Ooh. Yeah, you one-headed breaker. Freaker.
Web-headed.
Oh, web. Oh, right. That's my phone shot, Ned.
You must never miss an opportunity to
Just Edric for yourself, G.
even in the
Oh!
Ah, I've done it.
Seriously, Nada!
perform a combo.
Now this is just overkill. And yet
I'll take a Nada F or when in match or B. Nada same thing again. But then side to
Try to
side.
hit him while he's airborne.
Did you swing a remote T side to side?
Try to hit him while he's up. Like he's gonna do that one.
Like, should we send him on the ear or?
Spider-Man.
I don't know, it's Nada.
Spider-Man! Well, no, but...
Now try to grab your enemy.
Oh!
Ow!
See the Nada, shake her, nunchuck, that one. Shake it,
Yeah.
shake it. Hey, press any buttons.
He
Oh.
can't escape now. Strike him down.
help me out. Someone's getting excited.
Well,
He can't escape
You
now.
were saying?
Right, grab her there, so when in mash or B.
Sit. If you're meant to
Shake her Hunter.
come
When press arena back a lot of times. That one. That one. Arrow to the grab her there. Grab her there. No, grab her there. Grab her there. Now mash for B. That's A. B, that one. My Ioan Lemon used the technology. In general. And now B.
B.
Hand of
Oh,
him.
whatever.
And it.
Inu bottom eye.
No, I don't know. Oh no, Mary somebody know your A launcher. Right now, yes!
Yay! Ha 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 ha! Are you watching Harri?
You didn't.
I know you,
You
got-
didn't what?
And transported him to safety.
You didn't be careful.
Thanks to a
When you
dimension
tripped
of
out there, or is
consequences.
he mountain? No.
Please,
Ah.
try not to be so cavalier next time.
Well,
No.
you got my back.
It's
Guess I'll
psychopath.
just worry about my front.
Ah, my earthquake. I drew just a need every quake.
Whoa!
Right.
No! Okay, take out Tornado.
Just too scary.
Bloodthirsty.
Right now. Defeat the pep officers.
Nothing hurts it.
Nothing hurts it. Do they even call health by it? Oh yeah, Vion, top left, on a health bar. Tigati breathe of it. Tion breathe of it. Stop that.
It's just fun you're getting.
Hey!
Hey, sounded pretty
Right,
cool.
please, Dwayne, you got it board in a while now. If you actually got it need, Hannah. Right. If you meddle with the tutorial video with a short one,
So when do we get a
my
real
levels are
challenge?
quite long and my
I
hunting
fear it will
ridiculous.
be sooner than you think. And finally, I turn my attention from the future to a world.
Yeah, my whole beating's down at the same time.
Medieval Spider-Man.
Minor thing,
Oh,
Spider
right.
Knight on the hunt Spider Noir. Spider-Man Noir.
Say your
And a
prayers,
Batman
punk.
Spider-Man.
punk.
Here comes the Spider-Man.
It's Batman Spider-Man,
What
basically.
do we got here?
Looks like criminal forces in this world have already found one of the fragments. They've taken over
And
the
involve
station.
TDM.
Also, pan fi'n stealthy, dyn sefyll o flaen y window.
Advantage.
Ti ddim gallu gweld ti fyna, pan wyt ti'n lan fyna? Ei.
See if you can subdue these opponents.
Right, fi'n meddwl ti shake or
with
emote in it.
stealth attacks.
You read my mind, sister.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
what
he
I
literally
do.
man penty, mate. Oh, that one. That one. And Batman.
Batman.
Those typewriters they're slinging are no joke. Won't last long if they open up on me.
Agreed. If an enemy spots you, it is imperative to defeat him quickly or retreat, either into the shadows or hide.
And then fight big Kira a bit, ti'n dweud.
Power
With
glitch.
new web-swinging powers, they will be useful.
Right,
in
can you guys
specific-
explain game, please?
I like
Man and
this.
web or
Thanks
whatever,
for the
mate.
enhanced
Yeah.
powers, lady. The webs normally just kind of splatter everywhere.
Use your spider sense to locate the fragment.
Yeah, ni neud
Find
yna.
that gate.
Mae rhyw bloke fanna jyst i cael ei clymu lan mewn rhyw cocoon.
Yeah, I'm in...
Has Snape asked where do you sell with all your gubble?
Nah, we're in stealth takedown.
Oh, of course.
Nah, my in
Fuck,
do...
fuck,
Alright,
fuck.
Edric, mae'n dywyll fan hyn. A into the darkness. You can't see me.
Time to grab a flop, big guy.
I'm Spider-Man. Shut up.
I mean, you mewn cloud yn y beth, so...
Gwybod, mewn Batman, os wyt ti'n neud hwnna, bydd pawb yn gwybod ble ti yn, ti angen like, choke nhw mas, dawel. Like, one punch, mae pawb yn gwybod fan hyn.
Yeah, un person a mae dau pobl yn cwybod drosodd.
Eeeeh.
Oh, well.
Savage. Right, ydw i gallu cael it o lan fan hyn? O, fi gallu cael it o fan hyn.
No.
A surely, bydd ti'n gweiddi fanna? A mae'n dal awake. Mae'n aros tan mae mewn cocoon i mynd, hey guys, can I help you and stuff? Right, Spider-Man, wall crawl.
May I suggest a stealth attack on those dirty louse?
Lady, you're all right.
Spider-Man does whatever Spider-Man can.
Can just be killed off.
Maybe.
Nah.
Feeling really loose our whole not killing people.
Oops.
That way.
Need to try a portal-y thing.
Hannah. Yeah.
Fuck.
There. We mean awful Spider-Mans. Fragment.
And that's the end of that.
Is it?
End of game. Diolch yn gwylio.
Well, there we go.
The beginning,
No.
across
Ah.
many dimensions, these four fearless Spider-Men, in all their
Just you got it from the
various
tutorial, but
incarnations,
you can man.
must fight
Come on.
to reassemble the tablet of order and chaos.
Hang on.
Not just for the sake of their own world,
What's that?
but for the fate of every world, in every dimension. Good luck.
Os oes yna'n cael
Witchblades.
acen ffdeunig,
We're all counting on you.
You've recovered the first quarter of the tablet.
From
Excellent.
Stanley as Sylvester McCoy in just alternate
Like
country
moths
versions.
to a flame.
Hannah and a
Those
person
with
to be on
evil
Penny, by
hearts
the
will
way.
be drawn to the unleashed power
Yeah.
of the tablet, gaining new and frightening powers. So far, you have been fortunate that none of them have fallen into enemy hands.
Why'd you have to go and say that?
My game on actually edged quite alright. Found you quite like them in a bit blurry on my cutscenes and that.
Useless hunk of
Don't know Mysterio. My edge is really weird my game man.
Wait. What's this? This is what real power
Just about a stellar voice set for the whole thing. Was like, oh, yeah, we doing it like 5 minutes ago.
Mysterio is now the master of real magic.
Yeah, mae'n kind of like villain, as in mae'n defnyddio smoke screens. Nawr mae'n cael magic, ond cyn hwn mae'n just like neud illusions and stuff. A mae'n super villain. Hint. Oh, and tutorial. Oh, ni angen neud Craven next on Vision. Alright, fi meddwl need neud digon am heddiw, ni wedi bod am
Okay,
3
that is
hours.
lovely.
I'm bleeding with the tutorial and coming more here and coming hours and hours and hours. Ond, I swear, dylen ni gadael cyfres yn y mynd, a falle bydd ni'n newid pwy sy'n chwarae yn game fi, so fi'n cael y pawb. Ond, gobeithio ni'n dechrau gwella at y game.
Hang on. Beth yn dweud o'r geiriol am fyna? Yn dweud Stark Enterprises.
Yeah, Star Cloud Runner.
Yeah.
As in, ni byw mewn Marvel New York. Anyway, right.
Anyway, okay. Tatty bye.
Yeah, mae'n dweud tati bye.